Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of multicolor wool knitting pattern. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 20 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 2, and you can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater, caps. So this pattern is 12 rows repeat pattern and these 8 rows are gap rows. You can increase or decrease these 8 rows. Here we make 8 rows and main pattern is 12 rows. Total pattern here to here, total pattern is 20 rows. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 16 stitches on my needle, 8 times 2 stitches is equal to 16. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row right side, purl these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete now. Second row wrong side. In this row again purl these all stitches. Second row and every wrong side rows we make same, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Now third row right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 1, yarn in front, slip 1. That's our repeat, purl 1, yarn in front, slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So purl 1, slip 1 2, purl 1, slip 1 3, purl 1, slip 1 4, purl 1, slip 1 5, purl 1, slip 1 6, purl 1, slip 1 7, yarn in back. Here we complete 7 times. Repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row wrong side, again purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side, slip edge, fifth row right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1. That's our repeat, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1, 2, slip 1, purl 1, 3, slip 1, purl 1, 4, slip 1, purl 1, 5, slip 1, purl 1, 6, slip 1, purl 1, 7. Yarn in back, knit edge from right side. Fifth row is complete now. Sixth row wrong side, again purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. This is row 7 right side, slip edge, yarn in front. Again we make this row same as row 3rd. Purl 1, yarn in front, slip 1. That's our repeat. Purl 1, yarn in front, slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Purl 1, yarn in front, slip 1 2, purl 1, yarn in front, slip 1, 3, purl 1, yarn in front, slip 1, 4, purl 1, slip 1, 5, purl 1, slip 1, 6, purl 1, slip 1, 7, yarn in back, knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete now. 8 row wrong side, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is 9th row right side, slip edge, yarn in front. Again we start the make this row same as row 5th, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1. That's our repeat, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How many steps you have? Yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1, 2, slip 1, purl 1, 3, slip 1, purl 1, 4, slip 1, purl 1, 5, slip 1, purl 1, 6, slip 1, purl 1, 7. Knit edge from right side. 9th row is complete now. 10th row wrong side. Again purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Row 11 right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern and purl these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Row 11 is complete now. Row 12 wrong side. Again purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Row 12 is completed. Now we make 8 gap rows with right side with knit all stitches and wrong side with purl all stitches. These 8 rows we make 13 to 20 rows with knit and purl stitches. So row 13 right side, slip edge and knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. Row 13 is complete now. Row 14 wrong side. Again purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Row 15 right side, knit these all stitches. Row 15 is completed now. Row 16 wrong side, purl these all stitches. Purl edge. Row 17 right side, knit these all stitches. Row 17 is completed on row 18 wrong side. Pull these all stitches. Row 19 right side, knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. Row 20 wrong side, pull these all stitches. Row 20 is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge, yarn in front and pull these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 20 rows, and after repetition of 20 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. And if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.